Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an app using Thunkable. First, sign up for a free account on the Thunkable website. Once logged in, click Create New App to start your project. Give your app a name and choose a category. This action immediately sets up your workspace, preparing you to begin designing and adding functionality to your very first mobile application with ease. Now, let's design your app's user interface. On the left, you'll find a palette of components like buttons, text inputs, and images. Drag and drop these onto your screen. Use the Properties panel on the right to customize their appearance, including colors, fonts, and sizes. Experiment with different layouts to create an intuitive and visually appealing experience for your users. With your design in place, it's time to make your app interactive using Thunkable's Blocks editor. Switch to the Blocks tab. Here, you'll connect events like a button click to actions, such as navigating to a new screen or displaying a message. Drag and snap blocks together to build the logic that brings your app to life, all without writing a single line of traditional code. Finally, test your app thoroughly using the Thunkable Live app on your phone or an emulator. Once you're satisfied, you can publish your app to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store directly from the platform. This makes your creation available to a wide audience. Remember to check the description for links to helpful resources and other great deals, including Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.